Hello. Nhâm Long is that Sabadi. Got you on YouTube.
Thank you.
Okay. Mien 50th. A lot of people. So Rick. Sabadi.
Hello.
Just got here. Mien 50th. Hello, Dada. Hello. Quá mặn như baby quá. Nha baby nữa. Yêu có trang tara ha chứ.
Phú này với nhà tình này, giờ ở đó tại mình đang cái mình to ở đó là nói gì cho tại mình mà lao tại đó tại.
Ồ.
Ok, hắn ấy mặn cả.
Okay, ta bút chiếm cũng mặn cả đó.
Here, you can go film your.
No, I'm just going like this. A lot of sales. Just walk around, see people. Just walk around among people. Mien Siap Pung.
Đi cho cả những cái này phải cover chất.
Hello, một tay Nhâm Long is that? Hey. Sabadi.
3 months.
Nhâm Long is that?
Quay muốn tập quay.
Kẻ dạng chơi cháu mình. Okay. Oh, okay.
At that point, like that's already unlocked.
There's a lot of people. Some person walked by and say, "Hi, Sue." I don't know who it was with the mask. Hey, somebody.
Oh, I'm sorry. Nhín không có tàu nhín. Okay.
Okay. Con chứ mảng chứ miền mình mà. Hey, somebody. Yeah, we just got here.
It's our first round.
Yeah.
First round.
I want to eat some food. Oh, well, thank you. Yeah, just.
So there's a lot of people. We just
No, I go.
6 months.
I go back towards the end of July. So I did 6 months off. I can find her. No, you can only 3 months.
Let's walk around.
Okay, we're gonna walk around.
We got duck home.
How do I go?
Oh yeah, that's a good idea.
It's no good, bro.
Yeah, we just walk here, walk there. No mind. This is the end. Hello. Somebody. Hey, you know what's up? Hey, what's up, man? Huh?
How many months? 3 months? 4 months?
Almost 4.
It's big.
Huh? Jeremy. Okay, almost 4 months. Huh? You know what's up?
Oh, Theodore? Yeah. All these people. Oh, yeah. This is first time ever going out ever. Em nói miên mà một chút.
Hàng chiến đo ta là. Oh, okay.
And then we just go around. Can I go get some drinks or something?
That's no, I just get a bottle of water from the thing. No shirt hay cái đó là. They have some shirt over there.
No, I don't want.
Giàu nhưng mà quần nom shirt giàu nhưng mà quần nha.
Oh, you mean t-shirt?
T-shirt nom t-shirt bè nhưng mà
Go get it. Bye.
hey, that shirt right there is nice,
Get that one.
but I don't know the quality. Oh yeah, it looks nice. I can. How much are these?
Shirts are going to be 20 for adults,
Okay.
and then sweaters are 30.
How much is it for the kids?
Kids are, toddlers are 10, kids are 15.
Oh, okay.
Hi.
Cute though, huh? Cute a lot. Yeah, we'll walk around later. Yeah, they got a black one too.
And then he wants his bikini pajama.
Okay, come on. Go him around, walk around. Mình quấn chứ nhiều, okay?
Quân trang ạ.
Yeah.
Hey, what's going on, buddy?
Hey, how you doing?
Right.
Yeah.
See ya. Hey, hello, sir. Sabay di.
Tin lên nè.
Oh.
Anh mang tờ đen cái gì á?
Hello.
Yeah.
Vậy á. Con cho con dần tháo mấy quá đi cái. Giờ nào đấy?
3 months.
Oh my goodness. So bad hả? I go.
Okay. Adam, I'll see you guys.
Okay.
I'll see you guys around. Yeah. Hello. Long á. No, it's not. Korean.
If you need a place to sit, I got my table here. We got
Oh.
table. That's me over there playing music.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'm over there. I thought you were
Tama ka.
Yeah.
Yếm có suốt chứ.
I'll sit right.
À.
Y'all walk around this whole day.
Yeah, I'm gonna walk around. Yeah. Mien 50th, it's a lot of people. I remember, I think the year before it was raining. Yeah. Oh. Oh. Now Adam, your mom.
Huh?
Is that Adam's mom?
I don't know. Okay, where are we going?
I don't know.
All the food, we're gonna find an area to get something.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go over there right now.
Come on.
Baby, his feeding time is
Oh, it's okay. How you doing? What's up, buddy? How you doing? Oh,
You up
yeah.
there?
One and done.
One and done.
My boy for girl.
Boy,
Boy, oh.
3 months.
Các bà béo nó túi vơ hết rồi.
Okay. Yeah.
Last week, listen, I got looked like I couldn't catch him in time.
What?
He fell in the mud.
How you don't drink and have workout? That's crazy.
Hey, we'll find over there. Go squeeze in somewhere there and eat.
Mà gạo flare the other day, I saw you eating hella meat. Let's go.
A lot of people, huh?
Okay, he's crying.
Okay, come on. Okay, I'll see you guys.
Are you later?
No. Yeah, see ya. Right there, that's a spot there you can just squeeze in. No, you just squeeze in, right? Mien chẳng quá. Hey, look, they about to be done. Right there. Go have a sit over there. Mary, it's okay, guys. Just squeeze in. Should be fine.
Honey, then here. I gotta make his mouth. He's crying, gotta pick him up.
Hello.
Is it on?
It's on, but I'll cut it out.
Cut me out.
I'm gonna go get a shirt. Right there. Hey, we have a seat over there.
You guys are under the tent?
Yeah, the tent, the first tent right there. I'm just gonna buy one from there. You got a large on this?
This one is our last one, and I think it's this one's a large if you want it.
Okay. Oh, hey. I'll just buy it.
This is a large. This is the XL.
Oh, this
different
XL?
turban though, yeah.
I like this one. Okay, I'll take this one.
Take that one. This is gonna be are you guys separate, right?
Yeah, we're separate.
Okay. This one's a 20.
That's large, right?
Yeah, this one's a large adult.
Thank you. Have a good day. Hi. Hey. Hopefully it fit me. Nó ta có tại tu cô nè nó yếm xía đồ ta nè.
Cô là
Nó lộn xả. Mình ngài xả tí. Okay, I'll walk around. Okay, he's feeding calm. I'm gonna go. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna just walk around here.
Hi, Kelly. Hi, Lynn.
Iumien Festival. Food vendors. A lot of people. Chan, let me get you on camera. That's why. Everybody. David, let me get you on YouTube.
My shit. Hey, NorCal salty fishing, baby. We up in here, man.
Let me see that hat. Let me see the hat.
That's how we do it.
Let's go. That's fine, Andrew. You on YouTube, baby.
Hey, what's good, man?
With Iu-Mien Festival.
Representing NorCal salty fishing, man. In the week.